Hi, my name's Christine. I own and run the Kip McGrath centres at Raymond, Terrace, Greenhills and Maitland. And I've been doing that for 15 years now. I started with Kip McGrath because I love teaching. As a classroom teacher, I never felt like I could do enough for the students. There were always too many of them with too many needs, so I could never feel I could do their individual needs adequately enough. What I like most about blended learning is that the students can do either online or at home, depending on where they're most comfortable. In my centres, what I'm most proud of is my team. I have a small, hand-picked group of experienced and caring teachers who go that extra mile. They put in the extra time and they get the results for their students. Book a free learning assessment at Kip McGrath now. Looking forward to seeing you soon.